Hello, my name is Pam, this is Total Pamarchy, and this week I made pumpkins from scrap pieces of wood. Subscribe to my channel for weekly pop culture and seasonal inspired crafts. I started this project by searching through the piles of scrap wood in my garage. I used leftover deck boards and 2x4s. Once I found all the pieces I wanted, I measured them and cut them out on my miter saw. I cut various sizes from 4-inch to 12-inch pieces. I stacked the pieces from smallest to biggest and back to smallest and used scrap pieces as the stems. Once I had all the pieces cut, I sanded them down and cleaned them with tack cloth. I then measured in 1 inch on either side of the boards, except for the top and bottom ones, so that I was placing the smaller pieces in the center of the bigger ones. I then glued the pieces together with wood glue and nailed them with finishing nails of various sizes, depending on the width of the boards. I glued the stems on with wood glue and wiped off the excess with paper towel. Once the pumpkins were all together, I cleaned them with a wet paper towel before painting them. I used acrylic paint and applied 2 coats to each pumpkin. I watered down the paint for most of the pumpkins except for one and created orange and white washes. This allowed the wood grain to show through. I painted the stems brown that I had also watered down. This was an easy project that could be completed in an afternoon and perfect for kids to help with. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more weekly crafts.